my conclusion of this. Please leave this research on what was really going on the ground, leave it to the historians, to the analysts, and so on. And let it not prohibit progress to solve the problem as such, because there is a problem, and it is a pressure on peace. And I think to come together, there are some positive signals as well. The dialogue that started, big difficulties, of course, but however, we have to find a solution of living together as expressed by Marco and many others. And I think, as a very pro-European former politician, let me say, the common umbrella, political umbrella, could be a way to the European Union. Of course, it's difficult, it will take time. However, I think this could be also to overcome in the longer run all these very emotional, understandable emotional pressures on the Serbs and on the Kosovo Albanians. I think this could be the way out, but we have to work on it. And from this point of view, I think, and now it will be from the most of you very provocative. From my side, I see not a real chance to reintegrate Kosovo Albanians in a Yugoslav federation. And it is not needed. What was the base is a kind of independence, of course, but first of all, that the priority is taken how to improve the situation and even the return of Serbs to Kosovo. And I think this is the main obstacle. And to fight against the recognition of independence of Kosovo, I think, from my point of view, very personal, is a little bit counterproductive. To do something for the Serbs in Kosovo. And therefore, I do not remind only on 99, also on March 2004, where I could see what hatred could produce in such a situation. We have to overcome.